Another day, another amazing serum that I came across. No, for real, like something about serums excites me to the core. Maybe because it helps hydrate my skin and it actually works. Now don't get me started with K-Beauty, I love this stuff. Hey beauties, what's up? It's Rika here and I'm back with another video, and this time I want to share with you guys my current favorite K-Beauty serum that is so hot in the market right now. Here is the Jejuon Cuthera Green Mandarin Serum. It helps nurture irritated skin and encourages it to make it vibrant and comfortable throughout the inclusion of organic green mandarin and citrus flower honey. This serum in particular prized itself for being articulate in selecting its ingredients, for example, like the green mandarin. Not only is it grown in Jeju, they are only encountered 1 month in a year. Besides that, citrus flower honey are actually those really exquisite honeys that can be harvested over a period of 2 weeks per year. Hence, it soothes your skin and keeps it highly moisturized. On top of that, this K-Beauty powerhouse did not forget the inclusion of hyaluronic acid. Here's an interesting fact that I found very intriguing. Our skin actually craves for that low acidic products that can help to elevate the glowiness of your skin. With the Jejuon Cuthera Green Mandarin Serum, it maintains the pH balance of 5.0 to 5.6, which is the ideal range for skin. Since silicone range oil is not used in the serum, there's a better absorption rate into the deeper parts of our skin. My first impression when I started using the Jejuon Cuthera Green Mandarin Serum is that it is really refreshing to the skin and it has these soothing effects that really calms my irritated skin almost immediately. I highly recommend applying a few drops onto your skin after toner and lather it on evenly. Spread a small quantity in long lines on hand or face and massage it gently. After that, wrap your face with your hand for about 3 to 5 seconds. Trust me, glass skin, hello! If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other Jejuon products would you like me to review next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you get to shop and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!